Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You act fast, pause, and capture the replay because evidence matters. Once done, note the exact match ID, timestamp, and the player involved. This anchors your case. Make sure to enable detailed match logs in online settings, then save screenshots and a short video clip. You want clear visuals and metadata to explain why the red card is incorrect or unfair. Finally, back up all files to cloud storage so you won't lose proof before the appeal process. You now prepare the appeal packet. Assemble replay clips, screenshots, the match ID, and a brief, factual description of the incident. Then go to EA Help, choose Contact Us, and select the Discipline Appeal option. This routes it to the right team. Include platform, device, account ID, and exact timestamps. Those details speed resolution. Be professional and concise in your message. Attach the files and confirm submission. You'll get an automated reply with a case number, so record it for follow-up. You finish by actively monitoring the case and replying quickly if support asks for more. If the appeal is denied, request the specific rationale and ask for escalation. Polite persistence helps. Make sure to supply clearer clips or alternate angles if available, because low-quality evidence is the most common reason for rejection. If problems persist, post the case number on official forums or social channels to draw attention, but never share private account details. Instead, keep backing up everything until...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.